This video will explain how to use Epaderm Junior Cream for eczema, psoriasis and other dry skin conditions. Before applying Epaderm Junior Cream, it's important to wash your hands so you don't transfer any irritants or microbes onto your child's skin. When applying directly to dry skin, simply pump the recommended amount into your hand and smooth into the skin with your other hand. Don't rub it in both directions, smooth it in the direction of any hair. Eczema and psoriasis should be treated regularly with emollients, even when they aren't visibly flaring up. Epaderm cream can also be used to wash, instead of soap, which can cause further skin dryness. Pump a little into your little one's hand, rub them together, and rinse well in warm but not too hot water. You'll notice the cream doesn't foam up, but does leave their hands clean. Dry their hands gently with a towel. Again, remember not to rub them.